Now, that matter remains where it is.
Mr. Speaker, I was.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
And I'm not dissuaded saying that people should not read or even hunt for it wherever they could find it. It is okay. But until it formally is brought to Parliament, even if you get it, don't bring it to me, because you are not the official channel.
The Speaker has made it very clear for Parliament. But the women caucus should read, whether they are called Tanga or whatever. Please read, and then when it comes to the House formally, then you have, by that time you have read, and you can contribute. The Speaker said, within his powers, it has not been introduced. But in our caucuses, we have the document, and we shall read.
Let it rest there. Honorable Bandi, is it about to say?
Mr. Speaker, if there is anyone committee that is purporting to organize a retreat somewhere, anywhere in this republic to discuss this report, should they use our resources as a country, or they are supposed to use their personal resources, Mr. Speaker?
But in Parliament, the Speaker has made it. Those who are going to Naivasha, read, have a position. Those who are going to Kakamega have a position. Myself and Honorable Kaluma, we have our own caucus. We shall read and give our position. But, yeah, at our own expense.